finally, the listing date for Paws had been confirmed. No more guessing, no more trying to insinuate. It's official, clear, direct from Paws. So welcome everyone to Digitest. If this is your first time of coming across my channel or you are here to subscribe to the channel, do well to like, subscribe, and more importantly, you're going to get access to alpha projects. If you want to start making as high as $500, $1,000, $3,000 on Airdrop. So check the link in the description of this video and join my Telegram channel. You get the point. So you're going to get access to early adopter Airdrop, non-Telegram Airdrop. So now it's official, no more guessing. The listing date for Paws is the 16th of April 2025. So we are no more guessing. It's official. They promised us that they're going to make a major announcement today, Wednesday, and true to their word, the announcement had been made. So if you check through their Telegram, their Discord channel, you're going to discover this message, a very important coded message. So the message is in English, Spanish, Turkish, French, Russia, and Korea. And when I actually bring this message to my AI, this is what I got. So pointing to the launching of Paws, 16th April 2024. And if you discover there is one image that they shared yesterday, the same date was also on this image, 16/04/2025. So it's time for us to actually start preparing now. No more guessing. It is a done deal. 16th of this month is the date for launching. Congratulations, everyone. Drop your thoughts in the comment section of this video, and let's see if you are still hopeful on Paws. See you at the top.